Hello, welcome to Miss Shaw's math learning video for Wednesday, September 23rd. So we are on activity 3 in our Google Slides. Your objective today, you're going to read, write, and count numbers up to 6. And actually, you're also going to be building numbers up to 10 with our 10 frame practice. This is just a little poem that tells you about how to draw the numbers. You can read that. And parents, I was letting those of you know that were on the meet this morning that I will be at the school tomorrow. So if you want to go to the school to pick up a math book so that you can do some of the pages in there, you are more than welcome. It will be at the very front in the afternoon. And so you don't have to tell me. I will just put several out there and you can come pick one up. Okay? If you can't do that, that's okay. You can just practice writing your numbers. So this is the number 1 and it has a picture showing the 1B. This is how you draw a 1. You start at the top and then you go down. So you're going to write the number 1. If you don't get your book, you're going to write it on a piece of paper and practice. This is the number 4. There's 4 B's. This is how you write the number 4. You start here at this black dot. You go down, across to the right, up, and down. If you don't make your 4s exactly like this, that's okay. Everybody has a little bit different way of writing things. 6s are usually the hardest for kindergartners. So if you can do a 6, you're already doing great. This says 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 B's. And to make the number 6, you're going to start up here at the black circle and go around that way. Now, like I said, this is in your math book and you do not have your math books yet. So if you go get one tomorrow, don't worry about doing anything on this today if you'd rather wait and get it and be able to do it in the book. If you don't want to get the book, you may do it on a piece of paper, as long as we're practicing our numbers. So here's the number 2 ladybugs. And you start here, you go around, diagonal, and then back down. Okay, this is the number 2. 2 is also a hard number for some people. So we might need more practice with 2. And that's okay. That's what we're supposed to be doing. Here's the number 3. 1, 2, 3. So you're going to start here. You're going to go around and around. And the number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is also a hard number for us in kindergarten. You're going to start here at this black dot, go down and around and across. So your job today is, it says count the apples in the 10 frames. Type the number above. So I'm going to show you an example, and you have to be not in present mode. You have to be on the mode that looks like this, edit mode. Otherwise, it won't keep the apples. So you're going to count the apples. 1, 2, 3. Here's my 10 frame. I'm going to click up here in the white square, and I'm going to type the number 3 because there are 3 apples. And on our 10 frame, we always start at the upper left. And we keep going until we fill up the top row before we start on the bottom row. So I should never see 8 in a 10 frame that doesn't have these 2, because you're supposed to start up here, fill in your apples, and then go to the next. Okay? So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 apples. So I'm going to click, and when you see these little blue squares, you know you can type inside there. 8. This one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And do you see it's half of the 10 frame? Because half of 10 is 5. So I'm going to type my number 5. Let's count this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There's only one apple from filling up the 10 frame. So I know that is 9. And you are going to go and do this slide. And then you're going to get to this one, and I will show you what to do for these. For these, you're going to read the number name. This is the number 2 name, TWO. So then you're going to take your apples. You have to have the little blue squares, and you're going to build it on a 10 frame. 1, 2. So like I said, we always start here in our 10 frame, upper left. And then you'll go on to the next one and build. So that is what your job is for today. You've got several of these all the way up to 10. Those are in our math slides. And I also put this practice. It is under math. It just says 10 frame practice. So this is not an assignment you have to do. This is if you want to work and work extra. So you're going to look at the number 1. You're going to drag the little blocks, the cubes, into your 10 frame to show that. 1. This is the number 2. So you're going to drag 2 cubes to show the number 2. And that is extra practice for you guys to work on. This is not something that you have to turn in, but I always like to put extra practice. Some of you are working really fast and you're like, well, what else is there to do? So that's why Ms. Shaw has added it. So it's going to be under here, classwork, and it's going to be under math. It says 10 frame practice. If you are working problem of the day without Ms. Shaw in the morning, then this is where your problem of the day is. And I've seen that several of you have shown me that you've worked on your problem of the day. So, thank you for watching. Hope you have a great day.